Welcome to today's tutorial on how to create a Google account. Whether you're new to Google services or just need a refresher, I've got you covered. Let's get started. The first step is to open your web browser and go to the Google account creation page. You can do this by visiting google.com and clicking on the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Once you're on the Google login page, click on the Create Account button. In the drop-down menu, you need to specify whether you're creating the account for yourself, your child, or to manage your business. Select the option that fits your needs best. Now, it's time to fill in your personal information. Enter your first name. Entering the last name is optional. With the next step, you are asked to enter your birth date and your gender. While the birth date is required, you can choose your gender from the drop-down menu or just select the option, rather not say, and go to the next step. Choose your desired username for the email address. You can also use an existing email address, but I'll show you how to do it from scratch. So I'll write a new username. You can use letters, numbers, and periods. If your desired username is taken, try mixing it with numbers or other words. On the next page, make sure to create a strong password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Adding recovery information is crucial in case you forget your password. To enhance the security of your account, Google will ask you to add an alternative email address where Google can send account recovery instructions. This step is optional, but I strongly suggest doing it, so Google can contact you if there is unusual activity in your account or if you get locked out. Google will also ask you to verify your phone number. You can skip this step as well, but it's a very convenient way for faster logging in and account recovery. To verify it, choose your country from the drop-down menu and type in the phone number. You will receive a verification code and you should enter that code to proceed. Make sure to read and agree to Google's terms of service and privacy policy. It's essential to understand how Google handles your data. Google gives you control over your privacy and personalization settings. Take a moment to review and adjust these settings according to your preferences. If you are creating this account for work or business use, you will be suggested to set up your business so you can easily be discovered by customers locally and online. You can also choose to do it later. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Google account. Now you have access to a variety of Google services, including Gmail, Google Drive, Google Workspace, and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.